vitamin A deficiency. It is associated with the follicular hyperkeratosis of the skin and raised hyperkeratotic patches and dark adaptation defect. There is loss of function of mucosal integrity of the respiratory and gastrointestinal, and there is decrease in immunity. Treatment includes less than 6 months, that is 50,000 international units. 6 to 1 year, it's 1 lakh, and greater than 1 year, it's 2 lakh. Looking at the newer, there is 1 lakh plus measles at 9 months, 2 lakh plus DPT at 15 to 18 months, and endemic, there's 3 doses, 24, 30 and 36, and severe malnutrition, it's 1 lakh less than 1 year and 2 lakh greater than 1 year. WHO summary, that is X 1A 1B 2 3A 3B NFS, and X2 stands for corneal cirrhosis, 1A is for congenital cirrhosis, F stands for the fundal changes, and for night blindness.